Seismic sounds shatter sanctuary. Imagine you are blind. Finding everything you need depends on listening and recognizing specific sounds, like your friend's voice, or sounds like dinner, or danger. Then you can only hear this for the next 4 months. If you're a whale and dolphin and live in Ireland's whale and dolphin sanctuary, this is what you will hear today, every 10 to 15 seconds, 24/7, the noise from a seismic survey. Would you sign this petition to ask the Irish government and oil and gas exploration companies to stop causing noise pollution and to find out what marine life is affected by seismic surveys before licensing? To protect marine life, we need to discover how marine noise is affecting whales, dolphins and fish, and develop new ways of looking for oil and gas without destroying the marine environment for other species. In the ocean, noise has always existed. Man-made noise is now recognised as a significant pollutant on marine life. Most marine animals are very sensitive to sound. Noise can travel long distances underwater. It can prevent marine mammals from hearing their prey or predators, finding their way, connecting with mates, group members or their young. Whales and dolphins rely on sound as their primary sense for orientation, navigation, finding food and communication. Man-made sounds can affect these animals and may significantly impair the conservation of already endangered species that use acoustically contaminated areas for migratory routes, reproduction and feeding. Seismic surveying is the primary technique used in the search for oil and natural gas. Air guns grouped in clusters are mounted or towed along by a vessel. Sound waves are directed downwards and when reflected back up from the seabed are detected by hydrophones. The information is analysed to assess the location and size of potential oil and natural gas deposits. The sound waves emit noise levels of 220 to 255 decibels in water. This is the same as 158 to 163 decibels in air. A jet taking off 25 metres away emits noise of 170 decibels for comparison. Seismic sounds are among the loudest in the ocean. Sound emitted from a seismic survey conducted continuously for several days in the northwest Atlantic spanned a region of over 100,000 square miles, raising noise levels 100 times higher than normal ocean noise levels. The noise from a seismic survey masks the sounds used by whales and dolphins to find food and communicate. Whales stop singing. The International Whaling Commission in a 2007 study found that 250 male fin whales appeared to stop singing for several weeks to months during a seismic survey, resuming singing within hours or days after the survey ended. Whales are thought to sing to attract mates, so assuming these songs have a reproductive role, it would be difficult to believe that the effect of a seismic survey would not be biologically significant. Research has also reported changes in distribution and an avoidance of potential wintering grounds in response to seismic surveys. Marine experts are concerned about noise levels greater than 180 decibels as dangerous to marine mammals. A study in 2010 suggested that whales could be susceptible to temporary loss of hearing at 1 kilometre or further from seismic surveys. With whales and dolphins vulnerable to noise pollution, very little is being done in Ireland to assess its direct impact on marine species. 24 species of whales and dolphins are known to occur in Irish waters. They include the largest animal on the planet, the blue whale, at 90 feet in length and weighing in at 170 tons. The fin whale is the most commonly observed whale in Irish waters. All these marine species are supposed to be strictly protected under EU law, but there is no marine conservation expertise in the Department of Communications, Energy and Natural Resources, and a weak culture of environmental regulation of the oil and gas industry in Ireland. Between the years of 2000 and 2011, 44 seismic surveys were conducted in Irish waters. The Irish Whale and Dolphin Group would like the department to ensure that oil companies carry out baseline environmental impact surveys before and after they conduct seismic surveys to measure the impact of seismic surveys on whales and dolphins.